Okay, hello YouTube. We're here with Miss DeVito's second grade class, and we are going to try and do some winter penguins. Excuse my voice. I have been sick for a week, and my voice is not totally back yet. So, step one, we're going to make two horizontal lines like this. Horizontal means up and down. 1, 2. They're the same height. The cool thing about this is you can make as many penguins as you want. I'm going to do the lesson showing you how to make one, but then I'm going to quickly draw a few other ones so that you can see how you could add them if you want to. On the bottom, we're going to connect this line with a slight curve. And underneath it, we're just going to add some little penguin feet, which is just like this. 3 points. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's the bottom of our penguin. Now the top of our penguin, we're going to put a winter hat on him. So what I'm going to do is I'm basically just going to draw a rectangle on top of his head. So look, it's a long, skinny rectangle like this. And this is like a winter hat, and this is like the part that's folded. And in the middle, I'm going to make a puffball. And then all I do is from the edges, not totally on the edge, I leave a little bit, I just curve it up. Like this. And now if you want to, you could make this striped or polka dotted. Or I know some people draw like a, like a Nike sign or whatever their favorite brand of clothing is. But I'm just going to make a striped hat. Now I want him to have a scarf to match. So what I'm going to do is right around the middle, I'm going to draw 2 lines. And then underneath it, I'm going to make a couple little fringes down there. And I want this to match the hat. So if you made a polka dot hat, make a polka dot scarf. If you made a striped hat, make a striped scarf. And I'm going to add some little fringes on here. Now, if you're falling behind, remember you'll always be able to watch this video as soon as it's posted on YouTube. And for those of you watching it on YouTube, it's already posted. Now, this is the only part that gets a little bit tricky. A penguin is white and black, okay? And we want to make that separation. So the easiest way to do that is we want to do, it's almost like a heart shape. So watch, I'm going to start right here, okay, on the side. And I'm going to draw a line up, and I'm going to come kind of like I was making a heart. Like that, okay? And then on the bottom of the scarf, remember to use your invisible line and kind of come out. Just bring it straight down to the bottom, like that. Now when this is colored, this will be black, but the inside will be white. Another thing that will be black is his little flippers. And all I do for those is make 2 little curves on each side. And now all we need to do is add our eyes and beak. So you can do any kind of eyes you want. I always do these eyes that are circles with 2 circles inside. You can add eyelashes. And our beak is nothing more than a little triangle shape. Almost looks like the shape of a piece of candy corn or something. Now, that is how you draw a penguin. Now, real quickly, if you wanted to add penguins, watch this. I can go next to him, and I don't expect you to draw with me here because I'm going fast. I'm not going to put a hat on this one, so I'm going to curve the head. I'm going to make the same shape for the inside. I'm going to add another scarf, but this one I'm going to make maybe polka dotted. I'm going to add the eyes. People in class, please be quiet because we're still recording. I'm going to add another nose. Some more feet. And I'm going to put earmuffs on this guy. So I'm going to make a puffball and then just a line that would go around to the other ear like earmuffs. And I could put another guy on this side. When I think of penguins, I think of them floating on ice. So look, here's how I draw a piece of ice. I make it like that, but watch how I make it 3D. On each one of these ends, I do a line down and over. There's my piece of ice. Maybe they're floating in the ocean, so I need some waves. And I'm going to add a sunshine. Now, don't worry about them floating on a piece of ice like they're stranded, because guess what? Penguins can swim and their bodies can handle cold, cold temperatures. And voila! We just made a whole scene, a whole picture in 6 minutes and 7 seconds. Nice job, guys. I'm going to take my time and color this. You guys at home, give it a shot. You don't have to do the same background. You could make them on land. You could make an igloo in the background. You could put coats on. You could put whatever you want on your penguins. Try to make as many penguins as you can. All right, Mr. Vito's room, say bye.